So everybody's already starting to talk about this, so I might as well just talk about this because I've been using a new method to find coins, and I did find this coin. When did I find this coin? I don't know when I found this coin, but what I do know is that I found this coin and I bought like $5 worth of it or something like that. $5, $4, something like that. And now it's worth this much. You know what I'm saying? $9. So if I go over here to the blockchain, this coin, yeah, green something, whatever it's called. Look at all this spam. Green, I don't even know what it's called. It's called green something. Wow, there we go. Green shirt. Okay? This is the coin. So it says right here on the blockchain that I bought this coin 5 days ago. See that? 5 days ago I bought this coin. And I got that much. That's how much I got in my wallet. So now that we got that out of the way, we could go over here, right? The green chart, and we could check this chart, and we could see like a few days ago, right? Like a few days ago. The point is that I bought this thing and it was worth like $3, and then it just keeps going up and up and up and up. And I tried to stake it because it says some crazy amounts you could stake it for. But when I tried to stake it, it said error. I could try again. This is it right here. But yeah, it basically just said error. You know what I'm saying? So this is the coin right here. Blah, 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 blah. If you sell it, it's a 15% fee. I paid 10%. Well, I put 10% slippage when I bought it. But for me, the staking is not really working right now. That's basically it. But the coin is going up in value. And if I could stake it, I would. But for me, you see what I'm saying? Let's see right now. Let's give it a try. So, okay, so look, I'm trying to stake this 7 days. Because there's no point in selling it because you're going to get a crazy fee. Like, the fee's going to be crazy. See, look, it says. Yeah, yo, that did not work. It just glitched out and then it just didn't work. So for me, the staking is not working so far. Let's try this again. Yeah, see, it doesn't work. I tried to stake it and it just runs through the transactions and then look, watch this. So I probably have a little triangle. Maybe it's still loading. And they charge me another $2 fee or something like that. But yeah, basically the point is that this thing's not friggin' working, man. So, but yeah, the coin does go up though. That's definitely true. So if I bought like $1,000 worth, I would have had like $2,000 by now. But I only bought like $5 worth, and it's like almost $10 or something like that. So plus they charge me the fee too. So I probably the $5 turned into like $3, and then it still went up to like almost $10. So That's crazy. But yeah, this thing is just, it just doesn't work. It says pending, it's just not working. So if it works, I'll make a next video and then that's it. But yeah, this is the coin that I was just looking on CoinMarketCap and I just checked coins that are up a bunch, but some of them the numbers are fudged. See, it's not. It didn't work. It doesn't work. So I'm not gonna keep doing it over and over again. If it stakes though, I'll make a next video about it. Yeah, I just go here, or I go to categories, and then maybe like Avalanche, because that's the blockchain I'm on right now. And then I just go like 7 day, and I just go to the coins that are just not down, because it's hard to sort through the garbage bin, but just up. I search the coins that are up in the last 7 days and then just try and research them and see like, oh, what does this one do? What does that one do? What's this one? What's that one? Why is this one up? Why is that one up? And then sometimes the numbers are fudged because they just put high numbers just to get people to buy the coin, but you could tell which coins are like actually like, I just check on them and see how they're doing and just check the website and just, that's how I find coins sometimes. But yeah, this one looks like a coin I would buy because it consistently just keeps doing like, 50%, 100%. You know what I mean? It goes down a little bit, then it shoots up a lot. And this is on the Avalanche blockchain, so this is literally so new. It's just getting started. And yeah, that's basically how I just find coins. I'll just check the website. The website's over wherever the website is. You just go to information over here and go to website. But this app is lagging, so yeah, that's basically it. That's how I find coins. So, yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.